If you're over 60 and thinking about life insurance, you're definitely not alone. In 2026, more seniors than ever are looking for affordable and reliable coverage, whether it's to protect their family, cover final expenses, or leave behind a financial legacy. But here's the truth. Finding the right life insurance after 60 can feel overwhelming. Policies are different, prices vary a lot, and not every option is actually worth your money. So in this video, we're going to break it all down in a simple way. What types of life insurance are best for seniors, what to avoid, and how to get the best deal in 2026. Let's get into it. First, you need to understand that your age plays a big role in pricing. The older you are, the higher the premium. But that doesn't mean life insurance isn't worth. It just means you need to choose smarter. There are three main types of life insurance that seniors over 60 should consider. The first one is term life insurance. This is usually the most affordable option. You choose a coverage period like 10, 15, or 20 years, and if you pass away during that time, your beneficiaries receive the payout. For example, if you're 62 and still have financial responsibilities like a mortgage or supporting a spouse, term life can be a great option. However, the downside is that once the term ends, your coverage expires, and renewing it later can get very expensive. Next, we have whole life insurance. This is permanent coverage, which means it lasts your entire life, as long as you keep paying the premiums. It also builds something called cash value over time. Now for seniors, this can be useful if you're looking for guaranteed coverage and want to leave money behind no matter when you pass away. But here's the catch. Whole life is significantly more expensive than term life. So it's best if you can comfortably afford it long term. The third and one of the most popular options in 2026 is final expense insurance, also known as burial insurance. This type of policy is specifically designed for seniors. Coverage amounts are usually smaller, between $5,000 and $25,000, but it's much easier to qualify for. Even if you have health issues, and that's a big advantage. Many final expense policies don't require a medical exam. You just answer a few health questions and you're approved quickly. This makes it ideal for people over 60, especially those between 65 and 80. Now let's talk about the best life insurance companies for seniors in 2026. Some of the top-rated options include companies known for strong financial stability, flexible policies, and good customer service. Look for insurers that offer no medical exam policies, competitive rates for your age group, fast approval times, high financial strength ratings like A or higher. Also, always compare at least 3 different quotes before choosing a policy. Prices can vary more than you think, even for the same coverage. Now, here are a few important tips to save money and avoid mistakes. First, apply sooner rather than later. Every year you wait, premiums go up. Second, be honest about your health. Giving inaccurate information can lead to denied claims later. Third, don't overbuy coverage. Think about what you actually need: funeral costs, debts, or support for your family, and choose a policy that matches that. And finally, watch out for scams. In 2026, there are still companies that target seniors with misleading offers. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always read the fine print. So, what's the best life insurance for seniors over 60? The answer depends on your goals. If you want low-cost protection for a specific period, go with term life. If you want lifelong coverage and can afford higher premiums, consider whole life. And if you just want simple, guaranteed coverage for final expenses, then final expense insurance is often the best choice. At the end of the day, the best policy is the one that gives you peace of mind and fits your budget. If this helped you understand your options, make sure to subscribe for more simple financial guides like this. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. See you in the next video.